Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill with your January 2019 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So you can be getting some of the latest and greatest products each month delivered right to your door. Along with the collections, each month you'll get a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and drink while you're creating with your kids. You're also going to receive 4 recipe cards designed by the design team for double page layouts, and there'll be one for each one of the 4 collections. You'll have those to start creating right away or for inspiration for you to go off and do your own thing with your kids. So this month, the 4 collections that you're going to receive are from Chamel, Head in the Clouds, Fancy Pants, Yellow Door, Jelly Bean Soup, You Make Me So Happy, and Simple Stories, Freeze in Season. So you can see there's a wide variety of collections for you and different themes this month. They're all very unique in their own way, and I know you're going to love them. So let's take a closer look at each one of the 4 collections. Our first collection from American Crafts was designed by Chamel called Head in the Clouds. This is a fun, whimsical collection that you can do so many different types of layouts with. Our first paper is called Fairy Tale Photos, and it's all of the different cameras, but then it's broke up with some Polaroids and florals, with castles and mermaids and constellations, and it's just gorgeous and so fun. The back is a pink design with these little dots and stars. Also the full branding strip. The next sheet is called Look to the Stars, and it's constellations with dragons and unicorns. So really pretty on that dark navy blue. The back is a horizontal stripe done like a brush stroke with the different colors in this collection. So we have aquas and greens and 2 different colors of pink, yellow, and that, of course, that dark navy blue. The next paper is called Moonlight and Roses, and it's a beautiful roses and floral pattern on that dark navy blue. The back is a minty turquoisey green on top of a purplish blue, and again the full branding strip with some phrases on it. So one more look at the patterned paper. You'll also receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. And then your embellishments are going to be 4 of the puffy hearts, so they will vary, but these were the ones that I received, and half a pack of the stickers. So again, these will vary, but this is the one that was in my kit. You can see lots of fun, whimsical little icons in this collection. So it's great for kids, but it's also great for a lot of other things. So that's Chamel, Head in the Clouds. Our next collection is from Fancy Pants called the Yellow Door, and this is another very out of the ordinary collection. It's super pretty. I love the colors. I love the minty greens with the black and the white and the touches of gold. So this one is called Gather. The back side has these golden birds. This one's called Kitsch Fall, and it's the kind of jadeite green with just little markings, kind of like a tally mark. And the back side is a cut apart with, again, all of these really unique icons. These would be great to cut apart and tuck in and do your clusters or do some journaling on top of. You get lots of the different colors, so it's going to be really fun to use that as a embellishment piece. Then this one called Enjoy, which is a black and off-white horizontal stripe. And the back is another one of those cool designs in the black and the aqua green. So it has a really old vintage vibe to all of the designs in this collection. You're also going to receive 2 sheets of craft cardstock. And then your embellishments are going to include 2 tags and some twine to put through those, so your embellishments will vary, as well as a 1/5 pack of the ephemera pieces So again, we have some of those really fun icons. Of course, these will vary among the kits, but just to give you an idea of some of the sizes and the types of embellishments that will be in your kit. So that is the yellow door from Fancy Pants. Our next collection is from Jelly Bean Soup, and You Make Me So Happy. This one's very much jelly bean soup, and you can recognize it from the colors and the florals. It's just gorgeous. So this one is definitely good for just about any type of projects that you have going. So first up, this paper from Miso Paste, and it's the gorgeous floral design. The back is a wave print in 2 tones of pink. This one called Dashi, with again some really cute flowers in the aqua color, and then these little phrases. It says, even when it's hard, choose to grow. If you stumble, make it part of the dance. Without rain, nothing grows. So lots of cute little phrases built into those papers. This one called Tofu, which is a confetti of different colors on this blue. And the back is, to me, it looks like a leaf print in green. So one more look at your patterned paper. Then you'll also receive 2 sheets of Whirlpool cardstock. And your embellishments this time, you're going to get one of the washi sheets. So these will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. As well as some of the epoxy stickers. So you're going to get a row of those. I got the blue and the pink. And a third a pack of the pea pods. So this is the ephemera pack. And again, these will vary, but this is a good representation of what you'll get. Lots of little flowers and leaves, some words and phrases that you could put on your layouts. So that is Jelly Bean Soup, You Make Me So Happy. Our final collection from Simple Stories is Freezin' Season. And this is all about winter and snow, and it's a gorgeous color scheme with the pinks and the dark gray, kind of a blue gray and turquoise and yellow. So this first one is called Berlo Zero with the snowflakes. The back side is a snowflake and kind of snowball design. This one called Shiverin' is a snow, kind of a white polka dot, looks like snow in the darker gray blue. The back is a diagonal stripe in all of those fun colors. This one is the 4x4 element sheet, so you can cut those apart. And the back is this kind of a leaf design in the pink. So one more look at your patterned paper. This is going to be so much fun to work with. You get 2 sheets of white cardstock, and for your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a border strip here with all the snowflakes, little tabs and little word labels, as well as your icons and your words. So lots of embellishments to use with this collection. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup and subscribe so you'll be notified when new videos are released. Be sure to check out all the other kits available from the Scrap Room, including the add-ons to your Flavors of the Month. There's full video reveals of all of the kits available for January. Then come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to see what the design team has created with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, and